Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the Wise card, one of the most popular multi-currency debit cards for travelers, online shoppers, and anyone earning or spending in foreign currencies. So let's break down the main pros and a few important cons so you can decide if it's right for you. So the pros include that most banks hide extra fees in their exchange rates, usually 3 to 5%. Wise uses the actual mid-market rate you see on Google. That means cheaper conversions whenever you spend or transfer money. You can hold dozens of currencies in your Wise account. When you travel, the card automatically uses the matching currency balance, no extra conversion fees. Wise gives you a couple of free ATM withdrawals each month up to a set amount. After the limit, small fees apply. And it is also great for freelancers. Wise provides local bank info like account numbers for several currencies, so clients can pay you as if you were a local without intentional transfer fees. But there are some cons as well. Once you exceed your free monthly withdrawals, fees can add up. Although Wise uses the real exchange rate, there's still a small fee when converting between currencies. Wise isn't a bank, so money stored in your account doesn't earn interest. There are no physical branches and support is mainly through chat or email. So the Wise card is extremely useful for travelers and anyone dealing with multiple currencies. It's not perfect, but the low fees and real exchange rate make it one of the best options on the market. If you use the Wise card or are thinking about getting one, let me know in the comments. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.